was working, why do people need mental health days if this works? Why is there opioid crisis? Huh? Why can't we have cures for the things that are causing us problems? Why can't people just die of natural causes? Why not? Because ain't nobody using their damn brain, because in the middle it's just you're just being used. That's it. Used until you're used up. Give you all this hope, use you until you're worn the fuck out, and then sit you in some nursing home and give you some puzzles and learn how to hustle before you check out of here. And that's supposed to be your mundane ass existence. And you got this damn eulogy that's this doggone big because you didn't do nothing but work, school, work, retire, and die. And make some money. Leave a legacy to your children. And whoa, what's in the trust and the will? That is absurd. So the unmitigated gall of these people, imbecilic ass information that is futile on a good day. Insane that this is what came up. I spent 50 minutes of my life, about 47 minutes, looking up this to prove a damn point. To prove a point. No one is focused on you using your brain at its full, complete functionality for you to become your best. It's not out there. So when I say I'm the baddest motherfucker walking the face of the planet Earth, I mean that shit with every fiber in my being. I wish somebody would come up and try to challenge me now. The fuck? I'm telling you how to use your brain on a daily basis to become your best, based upon personal accountability and the 74 principles of real leadership, so you could be a bad mofo too. Ain't nobody else teaching you how to be no bad mofo. I don't care who they are. I don't care who you following. And I'm about to piss a bunch of people off, and I don't care. Where are the rest of the billionaires that Oprah created? I'll wait. Gail ain't even a billionaire. And don't say Tyler Perry, because he was on his way anyway. Dr. Phil, Dr. Oz, Rachel Ray, Stedman, or Gail. Why they ain't billionaires? Anybody? Anybody that's on the billionaires list? Why we still only got 2,000 to 3,000 billionaires in the world, and we got 6.8 billion people, if everybody is focused on you being your best? Right. Don't know. And no one knows how she became a billionaire, but I know because I was reading the book. I got the article. How it actually happened. So this is what I'm saying. People are not, and I know I don't talk about people often. I'm just proving a damn point. But you're not thinking about that because you're not thinking. Because you're too busy learning how to do the Cupid Shuffle and play shuffleboard on a cruise, carnival, that is. So you're not using your brain. The things that tell you how to use your brain don't tell you how to actually use your brain to become your best. But you over here can't figure out how to get the hell out of Loserville. Can't figure out how to get out think your way out of your damn comfort zone because you're too busy consuming, buying and purchasing and buying and purchasing and buying and purchasing. And this is for everybody. World leaders are stuck too. They trying to figure out why the math ain't math, and everybody is, because they want information too. They want information too, and ain't nobody, their small councils, their cabinets, or anything else, their group of advisors can't advise shit. Nobody. Don't nobody have no information. And that's why I use this very group of information and this very group of internet searches to show you that that shit is the same. It's overlapping. It's overlapping. Having ultra friends doing what? Y'all gonna go on after dinner walks with y'all ultra friend ass shit show of a self, of a relationship? That's what you're doing. So the word ultra, Michelob got an ultra. I don't even drink beer, and I know that. What you gonna do with that? Sounds good. Sounds like that's something that you can achieve, but it's big enough out there that's vague as shit, even if you explain it. Well, I'm looking for my ultra friends. That's what I'm looking for. But are you an ultra friend? So, Regina, you just got that information on Hire Your Friends yesterday. Did I tell you about an ultra friend? Did I tell you how to do that? Or did I tell you how to get rid of the people that's holding you back? And it gave you a strategy that you can use going forward to hire the people that's going to make you your best. So that's what I'm saying. All of this is just suggestions. There's no action behind it. Go ahead and play your favorite card game. I don't care if it's bridge. I don't care if it's pinochle. I don't care what it is. Right. But this person, well, if you had watched that person's video from 7 months ago, then you would know. And you would be looking for ultra friends. Sound like power twins.